Good morning, dear children. This is your maths teacher. Now take out your maths textbook and open page number 7 from your maths textbook. What rolls, what slide? So, in last video, we have studied about one game. What is long, what is round? Okay. So, now let's study about what rolls, what slide. For these, open page number 5 from your textbook. So what you have seen? You have seen some children are rolling and sliding down. So to know much more about this rolling and sliding, let's take in some examples. So dear children, what you are seeing in this picture, you are seeing that there is one matchstick on the slide. So can matchstick slides or rolls? Yes, the matchstick can slide. The matchbox can slide. Now look at this picture. This is a book. So can you tell me, is this book can slide or roll? Yes, the book can slide. You can see in this picture, the book can slide from the slide. Then what is this? This is a orange. So orange can rolls. It cannot be slide. It always rolled. The orange always rolled on the floor. Now this is a dice. So is this dice can roll or slide? So yes, the dice can slide from the slides. You can see in this picture, the dice can slide from these slides. Then this is a lemon. So lemon can slide or roll. Yes, lemon can roll like an orange. See, the lemon is rolling here. So lemon can rolls. So this is the 1 rupees coin. So can the coin roll, or you can say slides? So no, the coin can both rolls and slides. You can also slide it or you can also rolls it. Okay. See in this, you can slide also. That coin is also sliding. Okay. So what is this? This is a comb. So can comb rolled? No. The comb can be slide. See, the comb is sliding. What is this? This is a carom coin. So is this carom coin can roll or slide? The carom coin rolls and slides too. Okay. See in this picture, the carom coin is sliding. You can see in this picture, the carom coin is sliding. So dear children, I hope you have get the whole idea about what is roll and what is slide. I have shown you the lots of things, that is orange, comb, coin, book, some can slide, some can rolls. So now take a look on this picture. What you have seen, here is one boy who is sliding. Okay, and here is another boy who is dragging this box. Dragging means sliding. Okay, he's dragging means khichna. Okay, so he is the, you can say, sliding this box. Now what is this? This is a lemon. So you can see this boy can roll this lemon. Okay, this is rolling. This boy can roll this lemon. Now this is a girl. You can see this girl can rolling over the grass. Understood? So now there are some things which can roll and some which can slide. Okay, the lots of things are present which some can roll, some can slide. There are things which both roll and slides. Okay, you can see the coin, both can roll and both can slide. And you can see the carom coins also, both can slide and both can roll. I have also shown this in the pictures I have shown you. Now dear children, turn on the page, that is page number 6. You will see one box is given here. Understood? One box is given here. Look at the things around you. So as I shown you the pictures, lots of pictures are there. The picture of book, the picture of oranges, the picture of lemon. ठीक है, ये जो मैंने सारे आपको पिक्चर्स दिखाए, कुछ पिक्चर रोल्स कर सकते थे, कुछ पिक्चर्स जो है, कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो स्लाइड कर सकती है, कुछ बहुत रोल और स्लाइड कर सकती है. तो ऐसी जो चीज़ें हैं वो आपको इस बॉक्स में फिल करनी है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, look carefully in this page number 6. I have giving you the answers of this box. Things which roll, things which roll, that is ball, lemon, orange, cylinder, all the things can roll. Now things which can slide, हम उनको जो है ड्रैग कर सकते हैं, उनको सरका सकते हैं. ठीक है, that is notebook, table, box, bag, all are comes under the things which can slide. Now things which both roll and slide, that is water bottle, pipe, glass, coin, both can roll, both can slides. Understood? Now look at this picture given below. My tiny tree. Here you have one activity for making a tiny tree. So here what you have to do, you have to just take a postcard here, another postcard here, roll the paper to make a pipe. आपको उस को रोल करना है ताकि वो पाइप जैसा बने. आपको एक पोस्ट कार्ड लेना है, उसको रोल करना है. देन योर पेपर पाइप विल लुक लाइक दिस. रो यूज ग्लू और टेप टू स्टिक इट. आपको टेप से उसको इस तरह से स्टिक करना है. देन यूजिंग सीजर्स कट स्ट्रिप्स एट वन एंड ऑफ द पाइप एंड मेक अ 7 or 8 कट्स. आपको सीजर से उसके एक एंड में, एक सिरे में जो है, इस सिरे में आपको कट करने हैं इस तरह से. टर्न डाउन द कट एंड्स, योर ट्री इज़ रेडी टू कलर इट. आपको इस तरह से उनको फोल्ड कर देना है. आपको ऊपर का पोर्शन ग्रीन करना है और नीचे का पोर्शन आपको ब्राउन करना है ताकि वो ट्री जैसा लगे. सो दिस इज़ योर एक्टिविटी. ये आप घर में भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज video. I hope you will understand about the concept of what is roll and what is slide. ठीक है, ये जो बॉक्स है, the look at the things around you will be the homework for you today. आपको ये बॉक्स जो है वो कंप्लीट करना है, जो कि पेज नंबर 6 पे है. ये आपका होमवर्क है. ठीक है. So for today it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe at home.